Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
A stand magnifier provides stable magnification for reading, hobbies, and close inspection. Select a lens that matches your task and eyesight needs. Choose a lens with magnification power such as 2x, 3x, or 4x, and a 5-inch diameter for a balance of field and clarity. Check the base stability and keep it on a flat surface. Maintain a 3-inch working distance from the lens to your material for best focus. Avoid tilting the magnifier to prevent distortion and eye strain. Place your reading material flat on the table and position it directly under the lens. Position your material under the lens at the 3-inch working distance for clear focus. Use a dedicated LED light of 500 lux or higher for consistent illumination without glare. Angle the magnifier so the lens sits parallel to the page to reduce distortion. Adjust the lens angle and height until edges are sharp and text is readable. Secure the base to prevent accidental movement while you work. When reading or inspecting, move the material gently rather than shifting the magnifier. Move the material gently rather than shifting the magnifier to preserve focus and alignment. Take short breaks every 20 minutes to reduce eye fatigue and maintain comfort. Clean the lens with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl solution when needed to remove smudges. Inspect screws and joints monthly and tighten them to keep the lens stable. Store the magnifier in its case and avoid exposure to temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.